Hello everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I'm Palak Khandelwal. Today we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 13th of April 2022. So this series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirants. Okay, so now question number 1. What was the percentage increase in India's trade deficit in financial year 2022? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is 87.5. So according to government data release, India's trade imbalance increased by 87.5 percentage to USD 192.41 billion in 2021 to 2022, up from USD 102.63 billion the previous year. So while total export hit a new high of USD 417.81 billion last financial year, and import also hit a new high of USD 610.22 billion, resulting in a USD 192.41 billion trade deficit. Okay, so now question number 2. In 2022, how much has India's Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sport contributed to the UNESCO Fund for Elimination of Doping in Sport? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is US 72,124. So the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sport, Government of India, has contributed an amount of USD 72,124 towards the UNESCO Fund of Elimination of Doping in Sport 2022. So this is double the amount of the minimum agreed value. So as per the resolution of 7 COP held at Paris between 29 to 31st September 2019, the state parties had agreed for contribution of 1% of regular budget of their respective nation to UNESCO towards the funds for elimination of doping in sport. Okay, so now question number 3. Which state government has introduced the Mukhyamantri Udyam Kranti Yojana, which offers subsidized loan for self-employment up to rupees 50 lakh? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Madhya Pradesh. So Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh Shivraj Singh Chauhan will launch the Udyam Kranti Yojana. So according to the official, the MP Mukhyamantri Udyam Kranti plan was announced for the first time in November 2021 as per the MSME department announcement, but it was never executed. So, the loan ranging from rupees 1 lakh to rupees 50 lakh would be offered to youth under this scheme for self-employment. Okay, so now question number 4. Jio-bp has partnered with which business to investigate the creation of complete public EV charging infrastructure in India? So, the correct answer of this question is option B, that is TVS Motor. So, Jio-bp and TVS Motor Company announced that they have agreed to explore the establishment of comprehensive public EV charging infrastructure in India for electric two-wheelers and three-wheelers, building on Jio Development BP network in the field. So, the customer of TVS electric vehicle are likely to gain access to the Jio extensive BP charging network, which is also open to other vehicles as a part of their progress of this proposed agreement. Okay, so now question number 5. Agriculture export from India surpassed how much amount of the first time in the fiscal year 2021 to 2022? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is USD 50 billion. So the export agriculture product from India surpassed the USD 50 billion mark of the first time during the financial year 2021 to 2022, owing to significant growth in sugar, rice, wheat and other cereal export. So the Directorate General of Commercial Intelligence and Statistics, Ministry of Commerce and Industry has released provisional figures stating that agriculture export rose to USD 50.21 billion in 2021 to 2022, which is 19.92%. Okay, so now question number 6. Which of the following state has launched the Nandini Krishi Samridhi Cooperative Bank project, which will provide milk producer more financial support? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Karnataka. So the Karnataka Chief Minister establishing the Nandini Krishi Samriddhi Cooperative Bank is a revolutionary initiative which will provide greater financial strength for the milk producer. Okay, so now question number 7. Which of the following bank has made the positive pay system mandatory for all check payment value more than rupees 10 lakh? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Punjab National Bank. So the Punjab National Bank has implemented the positive pay system being compulsory for the check payment worth rupees 10 lakh and above. This being done as a move to protect its over 180 million customers from any security threats. So the bank had announced to make the positive pay system mandatory last month, and the same has been implemented. So under the new system, high value checks worth rupees 10 lakh and above will be clear using the PPS after reconfirmation with the issuer of the check. Okay, so now question number 8. Which country has signed an MOU with Hindustan Aeronautics to convert civil passenger planes to multi-mission tankers transport planes? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Israel. So Hindustan Aeronautics has signed a memorandum of understanding with Israel Aerospace Industry to convert civil passenger aircraft to multi-mission tanker transport aircraft in India. Okay, so now question number 9. What is the name of the platform that Flipkart launched with a focus on rural development and equal access growth? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Flipkart Foundation. So recently, the Home Grow e-commerce joint, the Flipkart Group has constituted and launched the Flipkart Foundation, a new platform with a focus on development in rural area and providing equitable access to growth opportunity for women and other disadvantaged communities. So the Flipkart Foundation aims to positively influence 20 million lives directly and indirectly in the coming decades across a wide array of area by utilizing Flipkart's learning over the years. Okay, so now last question. Which company launches new, a much anticipated super app? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Tata Group. So the Tata Group will launch new, its much anticipated super app. This software will be available for download through the Google Play Store. So the Tata Group key goal is to expand its digital division so that it can compete with market leaders like Amazon, Flipkart and Reliance Group Jio-mart. Okay.